natural, you know.
But do you want to be the part of this problem or part of the solution? So vegan now? If you have 5 minutes, we can give you a mask and you can stand there with a mask, and you want to do that? Wie findest du das?
I don't speak German.
English.
Yeah.
How do you feel about humans exploiting animals?
To be honest,
Yeah.
I mean, you know, I think it's natural, you know. Like other animals eat animals.
Okay, but how do you feel when you see this?
I mean,
When you see these single animals being exploited, being killed, being used?
yeah, of course, it's not a pleasant
Yeah.
view, you know, but
So do you believe animals should be respected?
I mean, some of them. I mean, some of them, not like all of them, but some of them.
So not all animals deserve respect. So they deserve to be exploited and murdered?
I mean, no, but
No, they don't deserve that.
no.
No. So why should you be the reason that this is happening?
I mean, I don't eat meat that much, so.
Yeah.
But I still eat meat, but not that much.
Yeah. That is the whole point. You say they don't deserve that fate.
Yeah.
They were born into this world, most of the time forcibly from the humans. They never had a choice. So why, because we have the power, should we abuse that power over them? That's not right. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. And that's what we're talking about veganism. Just being consistent with values. If you believe that you should be respected, that you don't deserve to be exploited and killed just because you were born into this world, they also don't want this. They also shouldn't be exploited, right?
Yeah.
And although it might be natural how we grow up and all this, doesn't make it automatically right. It is also natural what we do to each other.
I mean, yeah, it's not right, but
Yeah.
that's how it works in the world. You know?
Yeah. But do you want to be the part of this problem or part of the solution?
Not so really. Not so really.
Again, so?
Not so really.
You don't want to be a part of the problem.
No.
Yeah. And the solution would be to live vegan. You know, veganism is not exploiting animals for food, not for clothing like fur and leather, not for entertainment like circuses and zoos, and do not exploit them for animal testing.
Yeah.
You know what is happening there?
Yeah.
How they rub stuff into the eyes of the animal just to see if it's like if it hurts them, although it's obvious that it does. So if you would be vegan, you would no longer be a hypocrite because you said they don't deserve that,
Yeah.
and you would no longer be the reason that this is happening. And these two good reasons to make a change.
Yeah.
Yeah. So do you feel anything is stopping you from living vegan?
No, it's no. No.
No. And you see with her, it's possible, right?
Yeah. Yeah, with her it's possible.
You-
My whole family are vegans.
yeah, nice.
But we weren't at the first, like last 10 years or something like that.
Yeah. But it,
I open my Instagram feed and it's the whole time. Like I follow every account,
Yeah.
I post all of them. I
Yeah.
cry every night.
yeah, and that's the thing. Like, if we already understand that they feel the same way than we do, that it is never justice what you're participating in, and if you agree that this is wrong, that it is hypocritical, and that you don't want to be the reason that is happening, how fast should you change?
I mean, I can also survive without the meat, you know.
Yeah.
But okay, for example, I'm not gonna eat the meat, but there is still like thousands of people who is gonna eat the
Yeah.
meat.
Yeah,
You know?
of course, but there's also thousands of people who rape, who murder,
Yeah.
who do big injustices, but you don't see at those as role models. You decide for yourself what you
Yeah.
think is wrong and right.
Yeah.
And you just said and admitted that this is not right. So the consequence would be to not participate in this anymore.
Yeah.
And if you were the animal, if you were in this position, someone wants to exploit and kill you, how fast would you want to be free?
Straight away.
Yeah. So you understand their position.
Yeah.
So how many animals from now on have to be exploited because of you? 0 or more?
0.
So vegan now?
I mean, I don't know if I can go straight away to vegan, but I can try.
Yeah, and that's, I mean, I understand from the human perspective because you grew up like it, you learned it this way.
Yeah.
But also, to be honest, you got a smartphone in your pocket. If you want to figure out a vegan meal, you will find it.
Yeah.
If you want to cook something, you will find it, and you have the support here right in front of you.
Yeah. That's
So it's honestly, it's not that hard to do.
Yeah.
And again, if you were in this position, someone would hold a knife on your throat. Would you want him to try to put the knife away, or to make a decision and respect you?
First one. Yeah.
So, vegan now, deciding?
I mean, I can try.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Yeah.
If you were the victim, your only wish would be affirmative and immediate action. No trying, no thinking about it. Just stop searching for excuses and find solutions. She will help you, right?
Yeah, right. I have talked about it already.
Yeah. Yeah.
To all my friends, but they don't listen. They ignore the fact.
She listened. She didn't ignore. But now it's time for action, right? Because your words and your tries doesn't help them. Your action does.
Yeah.
So you're gonna do it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Handshake on that. For her too. So you commit to do it. And also, final question for you both. Do you feel it's important to defend animals?
Yeah.
How can you do that from now on?
I try to tell everyone that I don't believe that human beings need animals. I repost all those videos on my account.
Yeah.
Um,
That's the thing. You already speak about it. You said you speak with your friends, your family. That is the least we can do, right? Because if we were in this position, we want people to speak up about our position, our situation, our injustice. And you can be their voice now too, because their only hope that something changes is that we actually take action.
Yeah.
So if
It's not only pigs and cows. There are also horses and
Yeah.
dogs and
Yeah.
cats.
that's like basically all these animals that can feel like the human is so fucked up, let's say, they will find a way to abuse and exploit animals in any kind of way. Like take away, for example, whatever stuff they do, take away their skin. Horses, they just push them through races until they are finally done and not able, then they kill them.
Yeah.
Like all this. And that means veganism, to not view them as objects anymore, to not exploit them.
Yeah.
And you can do that. And that's the thing. It's not a mindset only, it is also an action. And most people say with their words, this is wrong. But that's worth nothing. We have to take action.
Yeah.
So if you have 5 minutes, we can give you a mask and you can stand there with a mask. And you want to do that? Yeah? You too? Okay. And you can take your stuff. I give you the card.
Yeah.
Please check out the resources. There's also recipes and other information.
Yeah.
And for you, I get the mask. Well, by the way, what's your name?
Beatrice.
Oliver. That's good.